We're going to test a home cinema LCD projector from XGODY, the Gimbal N6 Pro. It's packed with features at a surprisingly low price. The standout feature is its 180-degree gimbal stand, which lets you instantly project onto a wall, ceiling, or even the floor, giving you a sharp and vibrant image up to 200 inches. If you think this projector is the right fit for you, now's the best time to grab it. Don't miss out. The purchase link is in the description below. We'll go through everything in this review so you can see how it performs and whether it's worth it for you. Now let's get started with the unboxing of the XGODY Gimbal N6 Pro projector. Everything inside the box is securely packed in foam. The first thing we see, of course, is the XGODY Gimbal N6 Pro projector itself. The color looks great and gives off a nice premium feel. We have a IR remote control. Pretty classic in design with a nice bit of weight to it. The power cable, which is a standard cable. If we lose it, we can put another one. There's also an HDMI cable, which is always good to see since not every projector brand includes one. We also get the user manual, so if you run into any setup issues, definitely give that a quick read. And lastly, there's a small resealable bag with cotton cleaning balls, which you can use to maintain the lens and possibly the vents. That's pretty much everything included in the box. We've got native 1080p height resolution, 700 ANSI lumens of brightness, and HDR10 support, which means crisp detail, solid contrast, and rich colors, especially in darker environments. The projection range goes from 40 inches all the way up to 200 inches, so it works perfectly in almost any space, from a small bedroom to a full living room setup, or even outdoor movie nights. And thanks to its 180-degree rotating gimbal design, you can even project onto the ceiling while lying in bed. The autofocus and auto keystone correction adjust instantly, so you don't need to mess with any manual settings. But manual focus options are also there. You get a perfectly square and clear picture the moment it powers on, which is great for beginners or anyone who just wants convenience.